Tired of project chaos turning your team into a three-ring circus? Let's cut through the noise and discover how Basecamp Project Management can bring harmony to your next project in just 90 seconds. First things first, what exactly is Basecamp Project Management? It's a method that uses the Basecamp software platform to organize, plan, and execute projects. Think of Basecamp as your central hub for everything project-related. A key element is clear communication. Basecamp moves conversations out of overflowing email inboxes and into dedicated project discussions, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Next up, task management. Basecamp allows you to assign to-dos, set deadlines, and track progress, keeping everyone accountable and deadlines on track. And finally, centralized information sharing. Basecamp provides a single location for all project files, documents, and resources, eliminating the frustrating hunt for that one elusive file. Ultimately, Basecamp Project Management is about using the Basecamp software to improve project success by centralizing communication, tasks, and information. It encourages productivity. So ditch the chaos and embrace the calm. Basecamp Project Management might be the key to unlocking your team's full potential. Check out our other videos for more project management tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.